Hello and welcome back to my channel. So friend, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 has just made its first appearance in the wild courtesy of ex-tipster Jukan Choi, and it's showing off in a sleek blue finish. The leaked photo including a side profile shot, and the first thing you will notice is just how thin this thing looks, and the Fold 7 appears noticeably slimmer than its predecessor the Fold 6, and it might still not snag the title of world's thinnest foldable just yet. The crown currently belongs to the freshly launched Honor Magic V5, which measures an impressive 8.8 mm when folded, and still Samsung Foldable is not lagging far behind. According to the report, the Fold 7 could come in at around 9 mm thin, down from 12.1 mm of the Fold 6. The image also reveals a speaker grill, SIM card slot, microphone cutout, and antenna band at the bottom of the phone. The other two shots give us front and back views of the device. The front is still covered in a protective film, but the rear clearly shows off that new blue hue and a familiar vertical triple camera bump. And speaking of cameras, the Z Fold 7 is expected to pack some serious optics: a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. Under the hood, it's likely to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite paired with One UI 8 running on top of Android 16. And Samsung may also be ditching the under-display selfie camera this time around in favor of a more traditional hole punch shooter, and we will know more soon enough. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is set for July 9th in New York, where the Fold 7 is expected to share the spotlight with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8, and if we are lucky, the company's long-rumored trifold concept. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.